everyone, welcome to Hello Friends Chemistry channel. In this video I am going to talk about pH of solution. Before my previous class I am going to talk about what is the ionic product of water. Now my name is Uma Shankar. I am going to talk about pH of solution. Start this section, see this board. Friends, pH of solution, this is the very important topic in competitive exams. Now pH, friends, pH is equal to minus log base 10 concentration of hydrogen ion or hydronium ion. This called as pH. Friends, pH is equal to minus log base 10 concentration of hydronium ion. Now, one of the important question, the question is find the pH of solution. Find the pH of solution which has, friends, which has hydronium ion concentration is 10 to the power of minus 3 moles per liter. Find the pH of solution which has hydronium ion concentration is 10 to the power of minus 3 moles per liter. This is the question. Find out the pH of solution. Now friends, in this case what happened there, 10 to the power of minus 3 moles per liter, it means the concentration of this units is the moles per liter. This is clear, friends. Now what is the pH of solution? Friends, pH is equal to minus log base 10 concentration of hydronium ion. Now what is the value of minus log base 10? Concentration of hydronium ion concentration is 10 to the power of minus 3. Friends, 10 to the power of minus 3 moles per liter. Now we have to find out this value. Friends, one more important formula is present in there. The formula is the log base 10 x power of a is equal to a into log base 10 power of x. This is the formula. Now you have to use this formula in this problem. pH is equal to what happened there? This is minus 3. Minus 3 into minus plus. Now 3 into log 10 base 10. Log base 10 power of 10. This is present in the log base 10 power of 10 is called as 1. Now pH is equal to 3. Friends, in this problem pH value is 3. Now one more important point, pH is less than 7. That solutions are called as acidic solutions. Friends, pH is less than 7. That solutions is called as acidic solution. Now my question is, why pH value is less than 7? That solutions are acidic solution. What is the reason? Now I am going to explain the pH is less than 7, the solution is acidic. Now I am going to explain the reason. This is clear, friends. This is the important example. Now this is clear. This is clear. This is arise. Friends, you know that in my previous class I am going to talk about the ionic product of water. Ionic product of water is Kw is equal to concentration of hydronium ion into concentration of hydroxide ion. This is called as ionic product of water. Now what happened there? This value, Kw value at 298 Kelvin or 25 degrees Celsius, this Kw value is 10 to the power of minus 4. 10 to the power of minus 14. This is the very important, friends. In ionic product of water, Kw is equal to concentration of hydronium ion into concentration of OH minus ion at 298 Kelvin, or it means room temperature. This value is 10 to the power of minus 14. Now what happened in neutral solution? Friends, neutral solution, what happened there? In Kw value at room temperature 10 to the power of minus 7, at neutral solution what happened there? Concentration of hydronium ion is equal to the concentration of OH minus ions. In neutral solution. Concentration of hydronium ion is equal to the concentration of hydroxide ion. This is the neutral solution. Now we have to find out the Kw. Kw value is 10 to the power of minus 7. Now neutral solution, what happened there, friends? Friends, this is I am represented to the this Kw is equal to what happened there. This is the hydronium ion is represented to the X. And in this case, what happened there? Neutral solution is hydronium ion is equal to the concentration of OH minus ions. Now, in this OH minus value is substituted to the in this equation in hydronium ion. It means this value is X. Now, X into X is equal to X square. X square is equal to concentration. X square is equal to Kw value at 298 Kelvin. What happened there? 10 to the power of minus 4. Now 10 to the power of minus 4, now X is equal to what? So 10 to the power of minus 14. Now X is equal to 10 to the power of minus 7. Friends, X is equal to 10 to the power of minus 7 is the hydronium ion. It means concentration of H3O plus is 10 to the power of minus 7 in neutral solution at 298 Kelvin. It means room temperature. Hydronium ion concentration is 10 to the power of minus 7. Now we have to find out the pH of this neutral solution values. pH, friends, pH is equal to minus log base 10 concentration of hydronium ion equal to minus log base 10 concentration of hydronium ion value is 10 to the power of minus 7. It means this value is 7. Friends, pH of neutral solution value is 7. This is clear, friends. Neutral solution pH value is 7. Now we have to find out the acidic solution. Friends, acidic solution. Friends, acidic solution, what happened there, friends? Acidic solution is the Kw is equal to concentration of hydronium ion plus OH minus ion at 298 Kelvin. Acidic solution is the H plus 3 ions. H plus ion concentration is increases. It means H3O plus is greater than OH minus ions. It means H3O concentration is increases is greater than OH minus ion. It means H3O plus is greater than 10 to the power of minus 7. Now what is the this values is present in 10 to the power of minus 7. It means this is 10 to the power of minus 7. It means 10 to the power of minus 6 and 10 to the power of minus 5 and 10 to the power of minus 4. These values are present in the acidic solution. Now this values is present in the, now we have to find out the pH. pH is equal to minus log base 10 concentration of hydronium ion. In this is the concentration of hydronium ion is present in there. Now pH is equal to what happened, friends? pH is equal to minus log 10 base 10 power of minus 6 is called as 6, and this is 5 and this is 4. These values is present in acidic solution. Values is present in acidic solution. It means pH value, acidic solution pH value is less than 7. pH value of acidic solution is less than 7. This is clear, friends. Now we have to find out the basic solutions. Friends, what happened there? Basic solution. Friends, basic solution, concentration of hydronium ion concentration is less than concentration of OH minus ion. This is the basic solution. Now we have to, it means basic solution is concentration of hydronium ion is less than OH minus ion. It means hydronium ion concentration is less than 10 to the power of minus 7. It means the values of the basic solution hydronium ion is 10 to the power of minus 8 and 10 to the power of minus 9 and 10 to the power of minus 10 and so on. It means pH is equal to, friends, pH is equal to 8 and 9 and 10 is present in a basic solution. This is the important concept in present in pH. Now I am talking about the what is the pH. pH is equal to minus log base 10 concentration of hydronium ion or concentration of hydrogen ion. Now what is the acidic solution? Acidic solution pH value is less than 7 and basic solution, it means this is present in there. Now basic solution pH value is basic solution pH value is greater than 7. Basic solution pH value is greater than 7. Acidic solution pH value is less than 7. Neutral solution pH value is 7. This is the concept. Now maximum pH value is, this means 8, 9 and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 is the maximum pH value, and this is 3, 2, 1, 0. 0 is the minimum pH value. Friends, this is the concept of the pH. pH value is the maximum pH value is 14, minimum pH value is 0, and acidic solution pH value is greater than 7, less than 7, and basic solution pH value is greater than 7, and neutral solution pH value is 7. This is the concept of the pH of solution. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.